Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use CapCut to make money. Yes, you heard me right. You can use CapCut to generate tons of income. Okay, what is CapCut? CapCut is that video editor you have in your phone and your system. So if you have your system, this is best for you. So I'm going to show you everything. Even if you have your phone, you can still do the same thing on your phone. So before we continue, please kindly subscribe to our channel. And this is a way you support us by saying thank you for sharing this wonderful, amazing knowledge. So let's go into everything I'm gonna do here. I will do it with CapCut, only CapCut. So you don't have to pay any other platform in order to do this thing I'm about to do right now. When you want to create videos, especially if you're managing if you're a content creator that manages faceless YouTube channels, or maybe faceless an Instagram channel, or faceless Facebook channel. You know what I mean by faceless? Like, you don't have to be there, you don't have to be present. All you do is create videos, quality content, and post out there for people to engage. Okay, so it can be educational content, it can be history, it can be news, it can be updates, it can be how to make money, it can be research. A lot of ways in which you can make money through content creation. So but I'm going to show you how to do it with CapCut. Okay, because one of the best thing about creating content is engaging your viewers with quality engaging visuals, and that is how you're gonna create it. Some people pay a lot of money in order to get visuals from other platforms, but here in CapCut it is all there for you. So first thing first, you need to know is, first of all, as you have to choose a niche. Okay, if you're a beginner, if you want to start creating content, and if you want to start creating content, so if you want to start creating content, okay, if you want to start a YouTube channel, it's easy to grow your fans on YouTube channel. It's easy to get monetized. This channel is one of my new channels, so I'm using it to teach people AI, because I'm also AI pro engineer. Okay, so I know how to get things done with AI in various levels of discipline and various skills, especially coding, especially data analytics. Anything you can think of, I can do it perfectly with AI and give you a better result. So I'm going to teach you the same way that I use CapCut to create my video, and I post it on my Faceless World channel every time. So here, if you open your CapCut on your system, you will see the interface like this. You have create new project, AI video maker, record screen. As a matter of fact, as I'm recording this screen right now, I'm using CapCut to record my screen. So if you want to record your screen, especially when you're teaching people, you understand that not every app, or not all this software that gives you free access to record your screen. Some software pays. Okay, you pay for it, but CapCut, you can do it free. Okay, and record your screen, teach people what you want to teach. If you are educational, if you are a tutor who teaches people online, you can actually use this method to leverage and teach people, show people what you want to share, the information you want to share. Okay, so let's begin. First of all, before you create any video, first of all, when you open CapCut, this is the interface. Okay, so you go to AI Video Maker, this one I'm touching right now. You go to AI Video Maker, click it. Once you click AI Video Maker, then when it opens, you're gonna need some things in order to create this video. And one of the things is that you're gonna need what is your script? What are you trying to share with people? What is that thing you want to share with people? First of all, you build your script. Okay, when you build your script, that will help the AI to make a quality video for you. Okay, so one better thing in creating content is building a script that gives the audience a better way to understand. If you're teaching, build your script very well. If you're directing people on a product knowledge, build your script where everything relies on your script. Okay, so here I have instant AI video, I have brainstorm with AI, I have avatar video. You can create your own avatar. What I mean by avatar, you can create a version of yourself. Okay, so once you open this interface, what you will see is instant video AI, avatar video, brainstorm with AI, match media stock with AI. So first thing, I need to go to this place, instant video with AI. I will need to click it. Okay, so there are two ways to create a realistic video here. The first thing is enter your script. The second one is generate the script with AI. If you already have your script, if you're someone who writes scripts, you need to enter it here. If you don't have script, all you need is just enter your topic and add a little bit of fine tune it in order to give AI better understanding of what you want to achieve. So here this is the voiceover. You choose there's a lot of voiceover here. Okay, this is working. Let's test it and see. Preview.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Do you see the magic?
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Welcome to creating voiceovers. Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Yeah, a lot of
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
that one is funny. There are a lot of voice.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
There are a lot of voiceover you can choose. I personally like using narrative mail. Narrative mail is not here, but I will still show you where I can get it. Okay, narrative mail is not here. So first of all, then this is the minute you want the video to be, the duration of the video. I usually post short videos, especially motivational videos, personal growth, and mind hacks. That's the kind of video I create. Okay, so I will choose 3 minutes. Then generate script. So I'm going to enter a topic. I don't know what topic should I choose right now. Okay, all right, let me just write one topic like that. How to make $1 million. How to make $1 million in 2025. Let's see what can give us how to make $1 million in 2025 as a young entrepreneur. Sorry, as a young entrepreneur. How to make $1 million as a young entrepreneur. What's wrong with this spelling? Okay, how to make $1 million in 2025 as a young entrepreneur. So I will leave it on this working mail, but later I will still change it to narrative mail. Okay, so the duration is 3 minutes. Then the style, you have to choose style here. Is it realistic theme? Cartoon? Do you want it to be in cartoon? Do you want it to be movie type? Do you also want it to be photograph? A lot of things are here. If you want it to be biblical, fluffy, urban dream, a lot of things, futuristic. Okay, so tiny word, lots of things, because the one we choose, according to our topic, the one we choose related to business. Okay, related to business. So I'm going to look for something that is realistic. Realistic theme, so I'm going to choose this one. Okay, then what I will do is I will click create. Remember the aspect ratio. This is for YouTube long, this is for YouTube short, okay, or Instagram or TikTok. So but I'm gonna leave it to 16:19 ratio. So you see the magic. Let's click create. So the moment you hit create button, all the magic will start happening. We start creating. CapCut will do a lot of things, even edit the video for you. So you don't have to edit the video again, okay, because the video has been edited for you at that moment. So all you need to do is just to sit, give it some minutes, and it will give you a feedback. You see here it says creating scripts. After that, it will match the voiceover. After creating script, you see, after creating script, it will match the voiceover. After the voiceover, it will match the generating media. It will generate media per each script. Okay, so let's just wait and see. Now it's creating voiceover. Creating your video 70, that's 7%. So this is magic. You can make a lot of, you can make hundreds of videos every day, every single day. And you can, the good thing about this thing is that you can create these videos for people, collect money, they pay you, and you create video for them. If you don't know how to generate scripts, you can brainstorm with just what I did now, or you can go to ChatGPT, tell ChatGPT, I'm a content creator, my niche is this and that, my niche is, maybe storytelling. I need 20 topics that I can be posting every day, or I need 50 topics that I can create video from it. Okay, so you just give ChatGPT a prompt, and ChatGPT will do the magic and create a scheduled posting for you. You see, now our voiceover is generated, so here we are generating media. Okay, let's just wait and see the magic. But please, before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel, okay, because we're giving you quality idea and knowledge here. So here you see that our video is done. we have generated our videos. Now I want to show you a lot of things about this interface as well. Here you have the timeline. These are the timeline, these are the videos. Okay, these are the videos, these are the timeline, and you see that the AI wrote the script for us. This is the voiceover here. Wacky Mail is the voiceover, and this is our stock media. This is our stock media here. Okay, this is our stock media attached to each one. Now in this case, before you export the video, there are a lot of things. There are some few things you need to do here. If you want to add more scripts, you can actually add more scripts and click generate. It will add more scripts down parts of this video here, of this thing here. So but if you're okay with the script you have, you can go on and export your video. If you're not okay with the voice, you can come here and change the voice. If you click the scene, you will see voiceover. Okay, you will see avatar. If you like, you can add avatar. Actually, you see avatar, but I don't want to add avatar. I want to leave it like faceless. Okay, so you click voiceover here, or you can go direct to this point and click voiceover. Once you click voiceover, it will come out like this. So like I said earlier, I want to choose narrative mail. So click narrative mail, click mail voiceover, and look for narrative mail. Narrative mail, where are you? Where is it? Okay, here is the narrative mail. Just listen to how it sounds.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
This narrative mail looks like a grandpa, but I like the way the voice is huge. That's why I keep using it. So I will click the narrative mail, then I will click replace for all scene. It said regenerate voiceover for all scene. The current voiceover will be replaced. I said yes, continue. So the magic will now happen. So you see the voiceover has been created. Okay, it's still coming. So if you want to also add music, you see element. I'm still coming to that one. Okay, so this element is just to add some touches, tell the AI to add some touches, some beautiful, sound effect or effects in the video. The AI will help you to add sound effects and a lot of things. Okay, now we are done with changing the voiceover. Let's play it and see.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm gonna make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication.
So you see that the voice is, I like the voice. I like how the voice is. Okay.
So if you're not,
I like how the voice is. Then, but you notice something here on this second part of this scene. There is no visual there. Okay. You see, it's blank. It's blank, and we don't want to leave it blank like this. So we click it and generate with AI. So AI will replace a visual there. We generate a visual and replace it there for us without any issue. So you see, perfect. This is what we want. So
here's how I'm gonna make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it's not gonna be easy.
Actually,
It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then don't even bother watching this video, because it's not going to be worth it for you.
So now the next thing you need to do, if you notice there is text here as well. Okay, so if you want to change this text here, or you want to maybe style it to your liking, you can go to elements here. If you go to elements, you see different tons of styles of captions. You see different styles of captions. So about me, I actually like this one, so I don't need to change it as well. So I need to leave it there. Then look at what they said on this element. Automatically highlights keywords, add music, sticker, and effects. If you apply here, that is what will happen. It will start creating much effect on the video. Okay, so then let's see what will happen. You can actually add music if you want, but this particular one will definitely add music for us, so you don't need to choose any music again. Okay, thereafter you can export your video without even going to edit it more. You can export your video, and that's all. You are good to go. So while we're waiting for the video to finish up, please kindly subscribe to our channel. This is the way you say thank you to us for creating this wonderful video for you, and we promise that we'll continue creating more videos to teach you how to leverage AI system to create better visuals. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to use VO3 to create a realistic story movie, all by your phone, all with your system, or with your phones. So let's wait for it. It's coming. Enhancing the video 72%. 76%. All right. It's gonna take time, just a little bit of time. You just need to be patient and wait for it to finish up. So we're almost there. Yes. Our video is coming. So here we are. We are done creating effects. So let's replay it and see how the magic works. Now let's see. Okay.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm going to make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it's not going to be easy. It's going to take a lot of work and dedication. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then don't even bother watching this video, because it's not going to be worth it for you. So the first thing that you need to do is pick a high income skill. This is something that you really gonna have to learn, and it has.
You see, I think we need to change this narrative now, because this is I think we need to change because it's slow and it's slow. Let's change it. Okay, let's put professional mail.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
I think professional mail is okay. Okay, let's see this storyteller.
Welcome to creating voiceovers.
Okay, let me use this storyteller mail. Let me replace it. Reason why I'm replacing this voiceover is because the other one is narrative mail. It's kind of slow, so we need something more faster. Okay, it's something more faster. So you can play around it. You can play with the interface. All you want to do is to get a better result. Better result is what you need. So we are coming. Once you create this voiceover, we are done with the video. Then the next thing is to export the video. You see, it's coming. Just brace yourself. Yeah, we've created it. So let's see. After creating it, you have to check whether there is missing visuals. If you also want to change these visuals per each section, per scene or per timeline, you just create here. You see, replace. Here is stream. You can actually delete it. If I want to change this visual, okay, this is the first visual. If I want to, I like it. This is the second visual. I like it. This is the third visual. Third visual depends on, okay, what does it say? It says, but it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication. So I will change this in terms of work and dedication. So I'm gonna change it using that keywords there, work and dedication. So let me replace it. I'll click replace. Then I'll go to stock media. Then I'll search work. I will search work. Okay, so here represents people working. I think I like this one. This woman that is typing here. Is it typing or what is she doing? Okay, okay, let me put this guys, and then I will click done. Okay, it will bring you to, that is trimming it. Okay, let's see, bring you, I don't know how many minutes. Let me leave it at 8 seconds or so thereabouts. So you see, I've replaced it. Now see.
But it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then don't even bother watching this video, because it is not gonna be worth it for you. So the first thing that you need to...
So that area that says it's not gonna be worth it, you see, there is a mistake here. So let me go back. Now let's play it again.
Be easy. It's gonna take a lot of work. It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication.
Let me change this gonna. Or let me rewrite it. Improve it. You see, there are a lot of things you can do. With this. It's going to. I like it's going to. I can change it with grammar. Okay, this one. Now let's replay it.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm gonna make my first $1 million, and you can do it too.
I don't like gonna. Here's how. Here's how I'm going to make my first $1 million. Okay, let's continue. Okay.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm gonna make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it's not gonna be easy. It's gonna take a lot of work and dedication.
Let me update it so that it will say exactly what we want it to say. Now let's play it again and see.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm going to make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it won't be easy. It will require a lot of work and dedication. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then the end even bother watching this video, because it is not going to be worth it for you. So the first thing that you need to do is pick a high income skill. This is something that you are gonna have to learn, and it is gonna take a lot of...
It's very funny, and I don't like this. It's gonna. No, I don't like it. So let's remove this guy. This is something that you're going to have to learn. This is something you need to learn. Let's replace it. This is something you have to learn, and it will take you, okay, and it will take a lot of time, no, and it needs your time and effort. That's what I need. It needs English and it needs your time. It needs your time and effort to do it. So you need to be willing to put in the work. The skills that I recommend are sales, marketing, copywriting, graphics design, web design, video editing, and the list goes on. There's so many different skills that can learn that we allow. You have to check this script. You have to check it one by one. Okay. Take action. Stop procrastinating. Time is, and start working. Time is now. Remember to subscribe for more educational content like this, not content like this. Thanks for watching. So let's update it. Thanks for watching. Let's update it and see what happened. If you like, you can actually use your voice. Yes, you can actually use your voice if you want to use your voice. Okay, you see, hear my voice. Create custom voices. Get started. You can create your voice if you don't want to choose all the voice here. Okay, those that are looking for where to create voiceover with using your own voice, look at it here. Okay, so let's see what happens. Let's play the video again and see what happens. Now let's see.
What's up, everybody? Here's how I'm going to make my first $1 million, and you can do it too. But it won't be easy. It will require a lot of work and dedication. So if you're not willing to put in the work, then the end even bother watching this video, because it is not going to be worth it for you. So the first thing that you need to do is pick a high income skill. This is something that you have to learn, and it needs your time and effort to do it. So you need to be willing to put in the work. The skills that I recommend are sales, marketing, copywriting, graphic design, web design, video editing, and the list goes on. There are so many different skills that you can learn that will allow you to make a lot of money. The second thing that you need to do is learn a skill. You can do this by taking online courses, watching YouTube tutorials, or even reading books. Whatever you do, make sure that you are learning from the best of the best. Don't learn from some random guy on YouTube. You want to make sure that you are learning from somebody who's an expert.
You see, this is really astonishing. Okay, just all in one input prompt that created all these amazing videos. Imagine creating this kind of videos every day, and you're posting every single day on YouTube. Within one space of 1 month or 3 months, you're gonna get a lot of viewers and a lot of subscribers, and which give you chances of earning up to $12,000, you know, or $500 ranging from that to $1,000 and thereabouts. So after all these things, you remember that the music has been added, so we don't need to add music. But if you still want to add music, you can click music here. You choose from categories of lots of music that you want to add here. Okay, so then, well, since this one is educational video, so I don't need to distract people with music, so I'm going to export right now. And when exporting, the video will be in a high quality. Okay, if you look at this thing, you see that the quality is not that much okay, but if you export the video, the quality will be okay. So if you still want to edit more, this will take you direct to CapCut Editor interface, so you can edit more of it and do whatever you want to do there. So but here I don't want to edit more, so I just want to export it right now. Okay, I export it right now. So if you click export, it will ask you to enter a file name. So how to make $1 million by doing this. How to make $1 million. This will be my caption. How to make $1 million by doing this. So resolution, I will choose 1000 or something. So bitrate, I'm good with this setting. So export. So once you export your video, all you need to do is to go to YouTube, open YouTube channel, and start posting. This is how you make money with this CapCut. Okay, so if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and hit the subscription button. Thank you once again. We see you on another episode of Leveraging AI to Upskill Yourself. Have a nice day.